Designed with performance and mobility in mind, the G0870 2 horsepower 10-inch portable table saw can help improve productivity even if your shop is on the road. The powerful 2 horsepower motor conveniently runs on standard 115-volt power for use on job sites, and the universal motor automatically senses and directs more power to increase blade speed while cutting denser or thick materials. The variable blade speed ranges from 2,000 to 4,000 RPMs, and that allows you to cleanly cut not just wood, but super thin laminates and plastics too. What other features make this the ultimate job site table saw? The G0870 also features a dual height fence system that flips down for easy clearance with a push stick on narrow ribs. Plus, micro and macro fence adjustments are a breeze thanks to the built-in rack and pinion track system that extends the fence for rips up to 28 inches. And it takes just a few turns of the hand wheel to adjust the blade to its full cutting height of 3 1/8 of an inch. On the outfeed side, simply slide out the table extension to act as an extra set of hands. And with onboard storage for all your included accessories like a quick change riving knife, push stick, miter gauge, and blade wrench, you'll have everything you need right at hand, wherever the job takes you. And when the job is done, simply pack up the G0870 and away you go with the heavy-duty rolling stand. All this and this saw is manufactured in an ISO 9001 factory in Taiwan, so you know you're getting the highest quality machine available. Help take your on-site work to the next level with the Grizzly G0870 2 horsepower 10-inch portable table saw with roller stand, available on grizzly.com.